Hey everyone, so we're back for another one. Today we're at Brick Lane, and as usual, as you all are aware with my recent videos, I love bringing a guest, and today's no different. So today we're going to be trying, hopefully, a lot of coffee, a lot of drinks, and savouring some of the flavours around Brick Lane, but it's more of a casual one. And without further ado, let me introduce you my partner in crime for the next few minutes. Adam. This is Adam, everyone, and Adam has a very interesting palate, so I think we're going to be in good hands. Anyway, let's get to it. Now the first stop, Chaiwala. So first stop in Brick Lane is Chaiwala. Yes, it's a chain, but it only makes sense to start with a cup of chai. So with that being said, let's order. Can we get 2 karak chais, please?
Small and medium.
Small, because we're going to be moving around drinking a lot, so
That's it?
yeah, that's it. Thank you.
You guys.
Some karak chai. Adam, how does it taste?
At the moment, it's quite been hot, so I am not sure.
Fair enough. Right, karak chai done. Good starting point. Adam, how was it?
It was very decent. One thing I have to say about Chaiwala is they're quite consistent.
Okay, nice. All right, well, let's see what else is around the area. Are you feeling a bit peckish?
I am.
Okay, let's see what we can find. Okay, so less than 50 yards away, you've got the Brick Lane coffee shop, and we're gonna go and explore and see if it's any good. Let's have a go. I'm gonna go for, what would you recommend?
Drink or?
So I'm gonna go for an Americano, but what would you recommend for a snack?
Oh, look,
So,
we have
the menu.
beer as well. I don't know how hungry you are.
Oh.
Have a look.
Ooh, pasties. Could do some pasty, cheese and onion, chicken slice, spinach for it. Oh, they've got an outdoor seating area as well. Adam going for his vanilla latte. Look at him.
Anything else?
Can I get 1 custard tart, please?
Yeah.
And what would you like, Adam?
Yeah, the almonds and stuff.
Lovely. Again,
Thank you.
this is still breakfast, so okay. So this place does everything from hot food options, brunch, lunch, coffee, cakes, etc. They've also got a nice little outdoor seating area, which can also be covered during the winter period, so that's not too bad. Anyway, let's have a little taste of the coffee and see if it meets expectations. So wow, I've got to say, Adam, your vanilla latte looks really nice. It's iced vanilla latte. Good choice. All right, let's give this a crack. Your tarts are really, custard tarts are really nice.
Thank you.
Where are they from?
Me?
No, as in, you make this on site?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. So it seems most of baked goods are made on site. Really nice. Coffee was good. Had a big sip. And not bad for breakfast part 2. Soon to move on to lunch part 1. And anyway, Adam, how's yours?
Tops.
Right, okay. That's all good. Right, that was good. Getting a bit peckish now, so let's see what else we can find around Brick Lane. Brick Lane in the daytime. Many options. The curry shops aren't as busy at the moment, but they will be come 5 o'clock onwards. Always loads of street art going on.
Oh, it's the football. Ronaldo. Good.
Yeah.
Lebanese grill. So yeah, we really didn't get that far. We're hungry, and I know Manjaro's is a chain, not really that popular in London, but the more north you go, the more you see it. But for those of you that don't know about Manjaro's, it's particularly popular for the chicken parma, and I think it's time for chicken parm now. So Adam, what do you say?
Let's go for it.
All right. Alright, let's do it. Let's do it. All right. What I love about this time of the day, it's nice and quiet. How you doing?
You alright?
Can we get a table for two, please?
No worries. Will you guys sit downstairs or upstairs?
Oh, should we do upstairs? Upstairs.
Upstairs is a nice view.
Thank you. Oh, this is lovely. Look, upstairs dining. It's nice and quiet. Should we stay at the end booth? Ooh, options. I think it's got to be their signature chicken parmesan. Okay, so starters, we're gonna try out their mac and cheese and their dynamite prawns. I've not had the prawns in a very, very long time. So yeah, Adam, let's give it a go.
It's looking fab.
Okay, well, we've got Adam trying the dynamite prawns. I've been bigging this thing up quite a bit.
Here we go, guys.
It's good, right? Yeah, it's time to tuck in.
Time for the mac and cheese. The prawn was really nice, and don't let my complexion fool you. I can handle my heat. Let's go.
Yeah, this boy can eat spicy. Good?
Very good.
Yeah. Thought we change it up instead of watching me and me sort of stick my food in my mouth in every corner of the cheek. Perfect. My spicy palm has arrived. Thank you. And Adam's got the original. Do you wanna give that a bite, Adam? How's yours?
Let's have a look.
Nice.
Very nice.
All right, well, let's eat. So, Adam, how was it?
Extremely filling, but delicious.
Yeah.
I'm struggling to breathe a little bit.
Adam done well, unlike myself, who left a bit, but I can't do any more. Yeah, I've got a bit of mac and cheese left. Yeah, he's done really well. I'm becoming a bit of a lightweight in my old age. Oh. Okay, so just finished at Manjaro's, and we're here with one of the chefs.
Thank you.
Fantastic work, thank you.
Thank you
really
very much.
tasty. The spicy palm, loved it.
See you again, sir. Thank
See
you
you
very
soon.
much.
See you soon. Take
See you.
care. Bye bye.
Take care.
Really, really cool staff here. Sorted us out with a little discount as well. So, you know, not going to say no to that. Right, Adam. Thirsty?
Very.
All right, let's go find us a nice cold drink. So let's see if we can get something fresh and fruity. I want some fizz though. All right. So we found ourselves a nice, refreshing drink. Got a strawberry and mint and a tropical flavoured one. How is it, Adam?
Oof, refreshing. Very nice.
Okay, brilliant. Good to hear.
Much needed after that, all that cheese.
Oh yeah. Yeah, but still will definitely recommend Manjaro's just because the staff were extremely helpful and the food was ridiculously tasty. So as you get to the middle of Brick Lane, you'll see the famous Brick Lane Mosque, which is slap bang in the middle. And if you go towards the end, there's a really cool vintage market, followed by a bowling alley. I think that's pretty much it. What else is there to do in the daytime, Adam, would you say?
There's a food court as well.
Yeah, that's where the vintage market is.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
we'll show you what that is right now, actually. So as you get towards this this intersection of Brick Lane, you'll see all the famous curry shops, and then the vintage market. And this is the entrance to the vintage market. Okay, and another little thing is that if you want some more food options, just have a little stroll in and you'll see a ton of stalls. I'd say there's only one last stop pretty much left since we're on Brick Lane, and that's the famous salt beef bagel bakery. And whilst we're taking this walk down, there's a lot of little pop-ups coming out. If you pass All Star Lanes, the bowling alley, then you're getting closer to the bagel place. Oh, what a beautiful day it is. On a side note, it's autumn now in London. The weather's just doing really, really well today. So it's a good day to be out. When we talk about hole in the wall places and secret finds, this is what I'm talking about. Mookies. Hello. These are really nice. What are they?
We call them mookies.
Yeah.
Because these are cookies
Yeah.
made in muffin ring.
Oh wow, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so basically they are mookies, so baked in muffin rings. Okay. Oh, that's why they're so thick. Oh, lovely. Okay, yeah, I'll get one to take away, thanks.
Which one?
What would you recommend?
Our popular one is dark chocolate pistachio.
Yeah, I'll get that then, please. Perfect. Alright, so some more goods secured. We'll give that a taste later. Onwards we go.
And then I would do
Another popular spot on Brick Lane. Obviously this road is full of colourful characters, which makes up for the vibe in on Brick Lane. It's always unique coming here. Okay, so we've reached the end of Brick Lane, and this is one of the foundations of Brick Lane, the famous bagel shop. That's not the only one. There is the queues in this place on a weekend in the evening, once everyone's been out, can be pretty mad. But anyway, that's it from Brick Lane. Adam, thanks for joining us today.
Thank you for having me. Pleasure.
I think we've eaten too much and we've not recorded much, but
Yeah, I think so.
we're going to leave it for now. Until the next one, take care.